Now today I want you to show me what you got. I want you to show me if you've been following along with me. I want you to prove that you can do some of these basic tasks without direction from me. So today I've given you 6 different tasks. Each one is fairly simple to complete. It may take a little moment of clicking around trying to find where that thing is, but they're not terribly difficult. You're going to start with text warp. So you're going to create your type and find options for text warp. You're going to use your adjustment layers to change the jersey from red to blue, but only the jersey. Make sure you're linking down. The layer masks, you're going to cut out this object. For your brushes, you're going to draw out using a couple of different brushes to create the look that I'm looking for. Make sure you're reading what the question asks for. The shape tool, you're looking to create a shape with a specific fill and stroke. And under layer styles, I want you to type your name and create a layer style that looks very similar to what I've given you. I am not looking for perfect today. I'm looking to see that you understand what you're doing. So for text warp, if your text doesn't match that exact template, that's fine, as long as it's basically doing the same thing. So experiment with this, figure out the answer. You're not always going to have somebody there to tell you how to do things. You have to figure out how to do things on your own pretty steadily in this program. So today is your example to show me that you can figure this out. So that's your daily dose of design. If this has helped you in any way, feel free to like or subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.